Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the WhatsApp business messaging solution from WayMore platform. So the first thing that you need to do is to log in with your Facebook credentials that are linked with your WhatsApp business account. So you click login. Okay. Um, Now, in this overview tab, we have the basic information about our WhatsApp business account, the settings that we have already done in WhatsApp business manager regarding our account, WhatsApp business account. So we see here that WayMore is linked with a WhatsApp business account that has this ID, and this WhatsApp business account has a name called Click My Way, and under this WhatsApp business account there are two different phone numbers registered. The one is verified, this one, and the other one is expired. Note that only verified phone numbers can be used to successfully send a WhatsApp business campaign. Now, the first step of the process is to manage your templates. Due to Meta's strict content policy, you are able to send WhatsApp business campaigns with templates that are already approved by Meta. The content is already approved by Meta. Fortunately, through a WayMore platform, you are able to create a template and automatically wait for the response from Meta. Note that this response can take up to 48 hours. So in this case, what we see here in this table is that this user, or this WayMore user, has created three different templates. The one is called test 12, Diwali wishes, template WABA. Here is the status: approved, reject, approved. Now let's create a template to see the process. Um, the first thing that you need to note down about your template is the content category. Now, Meta classifies the content into three major categories. Marketing is a message that that is a promotional that has promotional information about a specific offer, a promo code, for example. For example, you want to create a template for a message to promote a discount code for Christmas gifts. This is a marketing template. Uh, the difference between whereas the utility template is pretty much a transactional message that has information, simple information about a transaction, meaning uh, your um, your bill is $100 or your order has been confirmed. And the last category is the authentication category. This is pretty much OTP messages, templates for OTP messages, like PIN codes sent through WhatsApp, for example, for a user to log into your platform. For the sake of this example, we will create a marketing template. We will name it so that we are able to track it afterwards, and we will choose the language. There is a list of the language supported from Meta. For the sake of the example, I will use English. Continue. Now I'm creating the message template. Um, the header is optional, but I will add it for you to see how it looks like. Uh, New limited offer. Um, Get discount before winter sales. This is the message, the body of the message, and you are able optionally again to add the footer as well. Done. Oh, active until January. And the important thing is that, again, it's optional, but very important is that you are able to add call to action buttons. You are able to add more than one call to action buttons. For example, you can add a button to call the recipient to make the recipient make a call. Call now. You choose your number, and you can add another call to action button like visit website, learn more. Okay. Um, and you submit your template to start the approval process. You see that the request has been successfully placed. Now, the last template that you created is on pending status. So you need to wait until this is getting approved in order to be able to send the campaign. Of course, you are able to check your templates whenever you want. You see that the response was pretty much instant from Meta. So this template is now approved and we can use it for our campaign. The next step is to send a message. Now, to send the campaign, you select your number, the number that will be used to send the messages. I will use the activated one. Now you need to select a group of contacts that you will send the messages. So this means that before this you need to upload contacts and create a group of contacts that is relevant to your campaign in WayMore platform. This is another process. We see here that the recipients in this group are only one person. So you select the approved template, the one that we have created earlier. We see a preview of our message and we click send. The message was sent successfully. Okay, now the last step is the chat. So inside this dashboard you are able to click the chat button and respond to check if any recipient replied back to the message that you have sent, so that you are able to communicate with the recipient in a two-way conversation. So we see that this message was sent and you are able to click chat, and we see that the recipient has replied back hi. So now you are able to say hello. Now the recipient replies back saying okay, when you are open. It takes a few seconds. We see that we have a message from this recipient. When you are open, Monday till Friday, until and you are able to handle all the conversation through this web app from a single dashboard. To summarize the process, the first thing that you need to do is to create a template and get an approval of the template. Then to set up your campaign, select the sender ID and the target group of contacts, and you send the campaign. Afterwards, you are able to check if someone replied back and handle the chats from this dashboard. So pretty much this is it, and thank you for watching this video.